Hey guys, I just want to take a moment to show you the GPS lock on our RC logger NovaX 350. So according to the Weather Service, the winds are about 30 miles per hour. It's been crazy winds. We're having gusts up to 35, even 40 miles an hour. So this is not weather I'd normally ever fly in, but I just wanted to come out and test and kind of show you guys how well this is doing in the wind. So we're in GPS mode right now. We're gonna take it off and show you how well it's holding in even these strong winds that most people wouldn't fly in. See it hands off. Super strong wind is fighting, so holding still in that spot. Give it some turn. Right back to the spot. We gotta take it down and shoot it a little bit. See how well it does in these heavy winds. It pushes it all flying. Doesn't ruin it all. Bring it back. Let off the stick. Back towards me. Let off the stick. Even in strong wind, it's holding really solid. Again, it's made to handle these winds, no issues at all. Bringing it in, we're getting a low battery notification. So you guys have it.